Okay, somebody's calling. Let me answer. Hi, Grandpa. And there's a party there. Okay. What should I wear? Okay, bye. Guys, help me. I don't know what to wear. Let me take these off or I'm not going to fall. Let's put them right here. I'm going to take off my face mask. Let's put it right here. Just in case you want to use it. So, I'm going to show you all my nails. So first we have these two lipsticks. Then we have these two lip glosses, purple and pink. Woo! We have these nail polishes, which are pink glitter. We have just normal pink, and we have glitter gray. I have this eyeshadow thingy. So yeah, we have this eyeshadow thingy, and I really like it because it's actually glitter, and I love glitter. And then here's a normal one with not jelly stuff. So we have all of these, and we have some glitter. Oh, I shot it. Silly me, I need to use it. And then we have these to put on your nails. Or your toenails. And then we just have the Barbies and all the toys and my dress. Guys, which one should I use? This one with the lip gloss? Or should I use this one with the eyeshadow? Look at this. Should we use it for my lip gloss? Guys, look at this one. Should I use it for my eyes? Look at this nail polish. It's so nice. Look at this nail polish. It's really nice. Look at this nail polish. It's really nice. These lipsticks. They're super nice. I love these lip glosses because they're my favorite. Now we're maybe going to do a wee bit more, like blend it in with some pink top. This little one, because I like glitter a lot. Oh my gosh, I just forgot. That's lip gloss. Oh, silly me. Oh my gosh, what if my makeup comes off? I'm just going to blend it in my lip. The lip fell. Good? Yeah, it's good. I just need to add a bit more detail. Now we're maybe going to do these and put them maybe on my eyes. This big Hello Kitty. So guys, now we're going to do the lipstick. Uh-oh. Don't cry. Let me cry. Oh, are you cold? Oh, don't worry. I have to go wrap my baby in its blanket. See what's her name and what she likes. So her name's called Ella. She really likes cuddles. And she always likes playing. She plays with little tiny bearings. So now I'm going to show you the hands because it's so nice. Look at the hands. If you can see closely, there's some here. So this is the face. Oh, I can do that. Woo, that's a really nice face. So it is. And she has blue eyes. So she does. Now I'm ready. Now I'm gonna finish my makeup. My eyeshadow. Oh, my glasses now. That's nice, just going a wee bit down. I'm going to do that with another side, hopefully. Oh, we might just put some Hello Kitty bow on my eye. Okay, now I'm going to call Grandma.